Hi, my name's Peyton. I'm the president and chief engineer of SteelVend. SteelVend is all about helping steel service centers like yourself to get online so your customers can create quotes and purchase orders directly from your website. We are currently in development, looking to release in Q1 2027, and we would really appreciate it if you watched this quick 2 to 3 minute demo and gave us your feedback. This product is built for you, our customers, and your voice matters in the direction of this. We want to build this around how you operate and to make it as easy as possible for you to use it. So your feedback is highly valued, and we would really appreciate if you watch this demo. Thank you so much. So what you're seeing right here, this is the customer side. So your customers will come to your website, they'll click maybe order here button, and they'll get this dashboard. You'll see as an example here in the top left, this would be your logo. This is branded under your brand. We don't show the SteelVend logo here at all because it's your product that you're selling and nobody else's. So your customer would see their dashboard, they'd see recent quotes, purchases, they can message you directly. Let's say that your customer, they're looking to buy some aluminum today, some square tubes, width 2-inch, height 2-inch, can view the products, and you'll get a list of everything that's in your inventory. Now there's a few options for your customer here. They can just add the default SKU to the cart as it is. Maybe they want to saw cut it. They can do that as well, and they can do multiple saw cuts. And we have many other options coming for any sort of processing you want to do on your end to the products that you have in your inventory. And maybe you would like to sell more than just steel. Maybe you'd like to sell equipment or anything else to help your customers. We have additional catalogs as well. This could really be anything you want. And everything here is just an example, but let's say that your customer wants to buy some mad scientist goggles. Just add that to the cart. And when we review it, you can clearly see everything that you're looking to purchase here. And if you would like to make any changes, you can. But from here, we go to create a quote. And the best part about SteelVend is that it handles all of the difficult price updates. Everything changes quickly, and we handle all of that. So you just have to input some numbers on your end, and everything's taken care of on the customer side. So once they get their quote here, they can make any final changes, review everything they'd like. They can insert their payment information, and like I said, we handle all the credit card and everything. We take care of all that difficult stuff so that you don't have to. They can ship it. They can choose to come pick it up. But once they submit the payment, purchase order's in. Here we go. And everything looks good. So once your customer goes back to their dashboard, they can see their recent purchases right there. And this is the customer side. What does it look like on the steel service side? Well, I'll show you. So here you can manage your inventory, and you can manage previous current orders, quotes. So we can see that there is this quote that just came in. This is the one that I just made on the other side. So this would be for you to be able to manage everything and to see what is there and what you need to do. So this is the demo that we have. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like more information, you can visit us at our website and reach out, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have. And like I said, your feedback is very valuable to us in the direction of this project. We have 6 to 9 more months of development. This is the perfect time for you to give us your opinion and to help us to make a product that better fits you. So thank you so much for your time, and have a good day.